Magandang umaga, hapon at gabi mga kagilas. Marahil kilala niyo na po si Geo Chiu, ang higanting sentro ng Ateneo. Matangkad at malakas na bata itong si Geo. He's got height and heft, ika nga. At nagagamit ho ni Geo ang kanyang God-given physical attributes upang madomina ang shaded lane underneath the basket. Kaya ho, binansagang the Bulldozer si Geo, because he uses his size to bulldoze his way inside. Marunong ho pumwesto sa loob si Geo kung kaya't kayang-kaya niyang makadouble-double if given enough playing time. Mataas din ho ang basketball IQ ng ating bida. He's got excellent court awareness and better than average passing skills for a big guy. At yun nga ho naging puhunan ni Geo Chiu upang mapasama sa 5 sunod-sunod na Batang Gilas teams. Mula 2017 FIBA U16, 2017 FIBA Asia U16, 2018 FIBA World Cup U17, 2018 FIBA Asia U18, at 2019 FIBA World Cup U19. 3 sunod-sunod na taong serbisyo para sa bayan. Trivia lang ho mga kagilas, bukod kay Geo, si Kai Soto lang ho ang naging miyembro ng lahat ng mga nabanggit na Batang Gilas squads. Ganyan kabigat ang naging impact ni Geo sa ating junior Gilas programs. At eto nga ho, 3 years after ng unang upload namin patungkol kay Geo, meron kaming update at exclusive interview with this budding Ateneo star. Halina't kilalanin natin ng mas maigi si Geo, the Bulldozer Chiu.
I'm Geo Chiu, 19 years old. I study at the Ateneo de Manila University. I'm in my 2nd year and my course is AB Interdisciplinary Studies. The last time I checked my height, it was 6'9" something, but that was before pa, so right now I'm not really sure. The position I play, 4'5", or usually 5. I started playing basketball around grade 2, grade 3 when our school decided to form a basketball team, and then during summer, my dad would enroll me sa mga Milo clinics, basketball clinics. So, ayun, he was the one talaga who inspired me to play basketball because he was a basketball player too before. I think my favorite basketball player right now would be Giannis because even though he's really tall, he could bring down the ball without any hesitation and attack the rim easily. And I think that's a skill na everyone would like to have. The game naman na I see myself in, sabi na rin Nikola Jokic daw, and okay lang, no problem. To be honest, I don't really have a favorite team right now in the NBA or PBA. But the last team that I really liked or supported in the NBA was the 2013 to 2014 Miami Heat with the Big Three, LeBron James, Dwayne Wade, and Chris Bosh. For me, I had 2 best moments or experiences I had for playing for the Batang Gilas team. The first one would be meeting my coaching staff and my teammates. They were like a family to me and I really enjoyed being with them. The next one would be being able to play at the World Cup twice, under 17 and under 19. I really enjoyed it because we were able to prove to the world that we belong there and that we will compete and fight with all our hearts each and every game. After college ball, if there's a chance to play basketball abroad, I would definitely take it or look at it because if it would only help me improve myself as a basketball player and as a person, why not, diba? If I have a spare time, I would usually go watch a movie with my family Or if not, just watch Netflix, listen to music, or play some 2K. Or if not, just talk to my friends. I am single, super single. I'm not looking for a relationship naman, so it's okay lang. I think yung tipo ko sa vibe, as long as we vibe, we're close sa family, and of course, God-fearing. I think that's all. Self-love, guys. My message to all my fans and supporters is simple na naman. I'm really, really thankful for you guys, even though I can't show how thankful I am talaga. But deep inside, I'm super, super thankful. I hope na you continue supporting me with whatever I do, with the decisions I make. And I hope na you're all doing well, kahit na may pandemic. I know it's really hard, but I promise we'll all get through this. We just have to pray, and hopefully we find the vaccine. I hope na you're all safe, you and your family safe, and hope to see you soon. God bless. Thanks guys, it's Geo, the Bulldozer Chiu, and you are watching Gilas Army.
Ayan po mga kagilas, soft-spoken, humble, gentle giant ang datingan ni Geo Chiu. At sa totoo lang po, si Geo ay isa sa most hardworking kids we know. Always trying to improve himself and get better, handang tiisin ang hirap at pagod ng training upang lalong mapabuti ang kanyang basketball skills. Sa tingin po namin, aside from his size and smarts, his diligence and hard work will spell the difference for this young big man. We in Gilas Army salute Geo Chiu for his contributions and future contributions to the national cause. Let us all pray for the success ng ating pambansang Bulldozer.